Hello student, welcome back to our craft activity. Today we're gonna continue decorate this marble round curtain box. Prepare your craft material package, glue, and scissors. Take your craft material package and open it. You're gonna get one marble, put aside. Stars, wavy paper, flannel, and paper with zigzag pattern. First, take your wavy paper and glue. Put glue on this side. And on this side. Then stick the wavy paper and press it. And put glue at the back side. Press it. Do the same on the second paper. Take the wavy paper, put glue on this side, and on this side. Stick the wavy paper and press it. Take your glue, put glue at the back side too, and press it. Do the same to the third paper. Take the wavy paper, put glue on it, and stick the wavy paper. Don't forget to press it. Put glue at the back side too. And press it. Do the same to the fourth paper. Take the wavy paper, put glue on it, and stick the wavy paper. Don't forget to press it. Put glue at the back side too. Don't forget to press it. Make sure the glue dry. And we're gonna decorate the second paper here with this zigzag pattern paper. We're gonna put star on the line, the zigzag line, this star. Take your glue, put glue on the star and stick it one by one. Follow the line. Until all the star sticks on the zigzag line like this. Then put glue at the back of the paper. And you're gonna stick on the second paper here. Put inside and then press it. Put aside. Next, we're gonna decorate the third paper here. Take this wavy paper pattern and put glue at the back on the white side here. Then stick it on the third paper here in the middle and press it. Put aside. Next, take flannel, the pink one, put glue on it. Then we're gonna put on the fourth paper here inside. Don't forget to press it. Make sure the glue dry. Ta-da! This is our marble run curtain box. You can play with this. And don't forget to take a picture with your marble run. Bye-bye!